Been a while since I've been to the river, so I'm hitting up my local spot today here at Molalla, and I'm gonna see if I can get some panning done. Hopefully, there's a couple spots that I know are pretty good, so hopefully I have a good day. Well, I decided to make the trip across the river to that one spot where I had really good luck. Like a couple years ago, I was getting at least 30 to 50 hits per pan, and I wasn't able to work it that well. And I don't think too many people have worked this spot, which is why I did so well when I did hit it up a couple years ago. So I'm gonna try to do that. My last test pan over there didn't work. So I'm hoping I remembered this spot right, but kind of sucks because it's in the shade and I'm out of the sun now. And I don't think the sun's gonna hit this any part of the day, but it's still super nice and warm out, and I think this is a really good spot. If I remember this being the right spot, hopefully. So this is really perfect for crevicing. That's what I was doing last time too. I was doing a lot of crevicing work. So all the way up there too. Once I do my test pan on this spot, I might work my way up just a little bit more. These crevices are pretty deep too, which is nice. Just using a flathead right now. Oh yeah, all that. Break that stuff up. Oh yeah, this whole chunk wants to give way. There's just so much. And don't throw away the moss either. All this stuff, this is really good stuff to work through. There it goes. All right, my pan is full, so I'm gonna go ahead and work this. If I get anything really decent, I'll go ahead and record that and show you guys. Wanted to take a break for a moment and just show you guys real quick my catch so far. The majority of this came from, where's it? That area right there. So I'm gonna continue to work that area and see what else I can pull out. Where's this? Yeah, that's not too bad. All micro stuff though. All right, I had to pause what I was doing because I'm just in the middle of trying to finish up another pan from the same area that I've been working over there. And I think I just got my second, whoa, get in there. My second picker for this area. So that's really freaking awesome. Look at that. That's amazing. Super, yeah, thin, but let's get it back in the water. Man, that is awesome. And there's just so much, man, there's just a ton of black sand. It's unbelievable. But yeah, I can't believe that. That's awesome. So I'm definitely gonna spend a little more time in this area. Yeah, this is a really good spot. All right, so I think I might call it for the day. This is where I got so far. I found another cool little picker, and then some decent microfine gold. But I'm really happy about those two larger pieces. There's 2, 3. That's I don't think that's too bad. yeah, I'm gonna call it and take some time to enjoy the day, enjoy some of the sun still left. I still got a rock hunt for my wife because she loves, like, there's a ton of quartz and stuff out here. So yeah, man, if you are in the Portland area and you want to, you know, try out prospecting, do a little gold panning, Molalla River is it's a pretty fun spot.